Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my gosh. You can already see the cuteness emerging. Look at that. This box is so full. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. How stinking cute. Are these Pokemon ones? Let me not spoil it. I got these really cute. There were a lot of these in like the style of like Disney characters. I think this was supposed to be Lady or something, and it's just wrong. But I thought this was so adorable, so I wanted it. It was so cute. There's one that looks similar to this, but it has was it Tramp was his name? I think Tramp, yeah. And I think that was supposed to be Lady, but that is not Lady. But she's really cute. I got some colorful seashells. How pretty are those, y'all? They're so pretty. Oh my god, I love the colorful seashells. Can't wait to use those. We have some Eevees in the Pokeball. They're so cute. They're like in a bedroom. How cute is that? Isn't this little bedroom inside the Pokeball? It's so cute. That's those. I got some black cats. I thought those would be really cute for Halloween. I gotta get on my Halloween game soon, y'all. Those are so cute. I got some Bluey. These are so cute. I absolutely love these little blood bows. These are so cute. Honestly, I forgot I got these, y'all. Forgot. These are so cute. But I've been collecting a lot of Bluey stuff because I got one Bluey set of beads or whatever. So now I've been collecting Bluey beads because I gotta make the best keychains, you know, and bracelets. I will try to use some of these for bracelets, but got some cute little turtles. How cute. Because I know we have to get back to the bracelets, you guys. I know I started off with bracelets and I have not been making many. So we gotta get back to that. Got some Pokemon bows. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Absolutely cannot wait. They're so cute. I feel like the only thing about these is I'm worried that they won't be as good with bracelets just because the string goes from the top to the bottom, y'all. So they're kind of better for things that are up and down. But I can try to make some bracelets out of them. If you guys are missing the bracelet content, I can definitely try to do that. That is so cute. Look at the little Leafeon in this little room in the Pokeball. These are so pretty. I have to have them. Got Gengar. These are really cool. Absolutely love it. I think, what's in here? Yeah, he has a bow too. It's kind of hard to see because it's all dark. He has a bow, and then you have the focal by itself too. These are so nice. So stinking nice. Oh, here's the bigger ones. Here's a Charizard inside the Pokeball. Let's take this out. We have to appreciate this outside the bag. These are so pretty. I cannot wait to start using these, y'all. I'm gonna make the best keychains. How stinking cute is that? Is it gonna focus? Please focus. I think it's focusing. How cute is that? And it's sparkly too. Just, oh my god. I just cannot with how pretty these are. Absolutely love that. I'm in love. I got some pretty purple beads because why not? Could always use those. Got some Toy Story beads to go with some of the Toy Story beads that I have. There's this Meowth. How cute are these? Oh my god. There's a Meowth one, y'all. He's so cute. And I have a lot of these, so there'll be plenty of these for everybody. I cannot wait to add some accent to these that we have. Why am I forgetting this Pokemon's name for some reason? Is it Sliveon? I don't know why I can't remember the name right now. Yeah, I think it's Sliveon. So cute. Oh my god, these are so darling. And they're glittery, y'all. They're so glittery and pretty. Look at the sparkle. Love it, love it, love it. Got an Eevee one. We got all the evolutions, y'all. I think there was one I didn't get. I think the Umbreon looked kind of wonky. Like they had tails coming out of the thing, so I didn't get that one. I don't know why they designed the Pokeball that way, but that's like the only one I don't have. I have Courage. We love Courage. Anytime I see the 90s cartoons, I snatch them up because I absolutely love Courage. These are so well made and so cute. Who does not love Courage the Cowardly Dog? Love, 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 love. These are definitely going to be earrings too. We got, wait, did I get two Leafeons? Hold on. Oh, it's a small one. Yeah, I got, some of them I got big ones and small ones. So, if you guys prefer, people who prefer just like, I guess a regular keychain versus a pendant keychain, you know, we'll have options. I might be repetitive, I think, to put the small one with the big one, so I definitely don't think I'm going to put these together. I don't think there'll be separate styles of keychains because you don't need two of the same image in one keychain, in my opinion. I got a second one. Some seashells. So pretty. I absolutely love these. They're so pretty. These go really well with some Lisa Frank. Those Lisa Frank turtles that I have. And then, I almost forgot about these. I got the Powerpuff Girls. I love Powerpuff Girls. This was so well made. A very nice keychain. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be, honestly. I think this thing goes down or something. And even if it does, I don't really understand the point. Oh, okay, I see. I think you hang each one down from them, and then if you want to add something else, you can, I think. Oh, that'd be cute if I added a Powerpuff Girl to each dangle. I didn't realize there were 3 holes in here. You can't always see that well when you're, but these are so cute. And I'm gonna be really fun to experiment with that. I didn't realize what you did with that, but that's gonna be interesting. So I got a Pop-Up Girl keychain. Is that it? One more. And we got a Pikachu. How cute is that, y'all? This is so adorable. I absolutely love this little Pokeball series. They're so cute. So stinking cute. And so well made. So that is it for this haul. I wish I could share with you guys what I got, and we'll be making things with all this stuff in future videos, y'all. So it's coming. It's gonna be raining down with content. I got so much stuff to make. So much stuff to make and so much stuff to put on the website. Oh, goodness gracious. Thank you guys so much for looking, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.